Hello everybody, and I would like to present our research blended learning method for improving students' media literacy level. So let me share the screen. So in that research, we would like to show that the blended learning model is productive not only for the formal learning, but also for developing the most important skills of the 21st century, as media literacy, critical thinking, and cyber literacy. The aim of our research is to justify this prospect of the blended learning model based media literacy course to enhance learners' competence level and to specify the perspectives of this introduction into the university curriculum. We divided to sorry. And we decided to start this course during quarantine period because it was a time when the level of fake news and disinformation rapidly increased. Moreover, the situation is used by social engineers for fraud, such as stealing money or personal data. So in our research, we use theoretical and practical methods and theoretical analysis, observation, generalization, experiments, and so on. Before our research, we summarize the existing previous studies, and we saw that the following issues have been considered. Many information about using open data, developing of e-learning technologies, blended learning methods, fact-check and digital competency. So we used all these studies while planning our research. After analyzing all resources and existing previous studies, we saw that none of those studies considered blended learning methods for media literacy course. And so our hypothesis is the following. The blended learning method will provide students with profound theoretical knowledge in media literacy and retain the emphasis on practical skills. In addition, the accessibility of online classes will offer a great opportunity to reach a wider audience. So, our purpose is to improve the media literacy level of students through the use of blended learning model. It's important to say that it's not the first experiment, it's not the first research in this field. Before, in the previous years, we have already launched 4 different courses, which was connected with media literacy topic, as you see. Media literacy, psycholinguistic basics of media literacy, online tools for photo verification, and cyber literacy. And we decided to combine all this knowledge into one course, blended learning. And as a result, only 37% of information of knowledge of different activities we use in class session. The rest of knowledge, the rest of materials we downloaded into online sessions. So as a result, we have more time for the same activity. So altogether we have 5 sessions, and it helps us to save money and efforts, and as a result, we receive the same results. So, we divided our training into 4 units. Unit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the first one, media landscape, psycholinguistic peculiarities of media, of text. Next, traditional media, plus the second part of psycholinguistic peculiarities of media text. And Unit 3, social media plus humanitarian aspects of cybersecurity or cyber literacy. And Unit 4, misinformation and manipulation plus online tools for photo verification. And our last session was like summary and project. Students prepare one project on media literacy topic. We compare media literacy course based on model of blended learning. So before the course and after the course, students fill in questionnaire. And each part of this questionnaire measured different skill. But the most important in this questionnaire is result before the course and result after the course. And I would like to say that we are very satisfied with such a result. Okay. So, and I would like to mention about means of education. Except offline course, we use online platforms, and so it was informational, educational materials placed on the website of the training, cloud-oriented electronic educational resources, platform and services, as you know, Google Apps for education, and also we use social network tools and resources, Facebook, and also special resources on the internet, such as special applications and special tools for photo verification, and so on. And as a result, we would like to say, so widen access to ICT training tools, improved organization of pedagogical researches, enhanced ICT competence of participants of the learning process. So, the results of the study suggest that blended learning helped. So, include all the materials of the media literacy training in a 5-session course consisted of both in-class and online lessons. To increase the number of practical classes, it's very important because more practice, the more the better about practice. To insert the elements of psycholinguistics and information technologies, it's also very important because students knew how to analyze text, not only how to check facts, but sometimes text may be very manipulative and with correct data, but nevertheless this text isn't worth trusting. And the next point is because it was blended learning method, it helped to widen the audience who could join the course via its online version. And the perspectives of this research. So the implementing such a course possible for further education of scientific and teaching staff. To introduce a system of training seminars, webinars, individual consultations using these materials is also a good example of implementation of these materials. And thank you for your attention.